today we are at Itlhokomeleng Old Age Home in Alexander.
Itlhokomeleng started in 1978 when there was a plight for our elderly who lived in squalor. So it all started when we made a research that an old age home has to be built.
So in line with our Jabali culture and going beyond, we believe of giving back to the community, and this is our way of giving back to the community.
In the center we are registered for 106, but due to COVID and whatever, we had stopped a little bit to admit, but we've started admitting now.
So we've donated medical mattresses because the current mattresses at this home is in a very bad condition and is also very unhygienic. So with that being said, we hope that this is the beginning of a good relationship between the old age home and PPC.
If you can read my heart, you'll be surprised. Those mattresses have come at a time when we're really in need.
So we decided to go with medical mattresses specifically because it's what they need, it's waterproof.
PPC, you are the people who have a heart as big as a barrel. PPC is a friend to everybody. Together with PPC, we are stronger and we are just as big as an elephant.